sign of mites. Iridescence looks healthy. Tissue underneath is clear. Good vascular pattern. We'll log this as normal.
From the forest to the boutique, today we show you how the world's most exotic and beautiful leather, python skin, is transformed. Follow every step of this incredible journey.
Circulation looks strong. Oxygen saturation holding at 99.
Good. Keep the scan running for another cycle, just to be thorough.
From above, these python farms look more like botanical gardens than livestock facilities. Spacious pens outfitted with pools, perches, and native.
Look at that. Peels off like banana taffy.
Softer than a cloud in a bubble bath. One more
Oh
swipe.
yeah. Moon scoop coming
and
through.
banjo back up.
Smooth as a
Clink
jazz
for
note.
soft.
Look at that gloss coming through.
Yeah, scales are really healthy. Try lowering the spray just a touch.
Got it. She seems calm.
Perfect. Let the droplets roll off naturally.
Supplement. After a thorough cleaning, the reticulated python is moved to its sterile enclosure. Every motion is deliberate. Gloved hands supporting the muscular body, preventing stress to the animal.
Temperature is steady at 30.5.
Caliper reads 8.72 centimeters, heart rate holding at 37.
Perfect. Movement spike in force 2, adjusting camera angle now.
Copy, looks like just a reposition. Vitals are steady.
Logging in anyway, temperature's holding at 27.4.
Temperature's holding steady at 78, humidity 45. Green tree looks vibrant.
Retic's hydrating well. Water's crystal clear, no clouding. Logging it now.
Good. Last checks and we can sign off for
A touch of protective cream, rich, smooth, and buttery. Spreading it deep into the grain, then working it in with a soft, lint-free cloth. The wood wakes up, the leather breathes, and the brass begins to glow.
Flawless. It's ready. On the left, genuine python. On the right, a printed imitation. Get close and the truth is obvious. Real scales are irregular, they lift, they cast tiny shadows. Fake one.
Difference. On the left, genuine python leather. On the right, imitation. Real scales rise and overlap, each with its own ridged edge and microcrack.
scale tells a story. Hand-cut python leather, burnished by hand, stitched one breath at a time. Inside, a suede lining as soft as smoke, card slots.
When every detail speaks, you listen. Python leather, crafted for the moments that matter. One material, endless expressions of refinement.
Every cut has to be patient. The knife rides just beneath the scale, following the line nature already drew. Respect the hide, and it will reward you with strength and beauty.
Here, python skin rests in a bath of tree bark liquor, an age-old recipe of tannins, salts, and thyme. As the paddle coaxes the hide to move, the scales drink in the solution.
Side by side, the difference is striking. Python leather builds its own mosaic of overlapping scales, each one unique, lifting to catch the light and cast shadow. Ordinary.
Alright, let's check your scales, superstar. Nice gloss, no dryness, that's what we like. Little stretch test, see that rebound? Perfect. Hydration reading says minty fresh, which is exactly the flavor of healthy skin.
Section matches the gradient on the central panel. See how the light breaks across it?
Yeah, the scale's tapered just right. If we bring this piece in here, it should flow like one continuous skin.
Let's pin it.
Looking good.
Every square inch of this hide counts. By nesting wallets, belts, watch straps, and pouches together like a leather jigsaw, we turn what would be scrap into craftsmanship. Fewer offcuts, more products, and every piece cut from...
On the left, untouched hide, raw, uneven, full of natural character. On the right, the very same piece, cut, dyed, burnished, and stitched into a polished luxury finish.
Holding up. The scales barely fight it. Looks clean. Let's keep it that way.
Ready for the boutiques. From nature to luxury. The art of python leather.
Subscribe for more stories of craftsmanship.